Today, the world is going to witness a very special tableau, a tableau on the theme 150 years of Vande Mataram. It's going to represent the national song's historical journey, its cultural significance, and it comes at a time when the country is witnessing a political debate on the national song. Remember the winter session of Parliament that witnessed a day-long heated debate on 150th anniversary of Vande Mataram? It saw the Treasury and the opposition members locked in a verbal duel. Opposition accused the government, NDA government, of attempting to rewrite history and giving a political colour to the debate. Prime Minister Narendra Modi asserted after that crucial verses of Vande Mataram were removed in 1937. This was tantamount to severing the soul of the song and sowing the seeds of partition. In 1937, the Congress adopted a truncated version of Vande Mataram as country's national song, dropping 4 of the original 6 stanzas. Now, the Ministry of Culture, via its tableau, is going to display a complete version of the song and its journey. Politics has already begun. Before we get to that, let's take a look at this report.
I will be showing you the Ministry of Culture's rendition of, in fact, 150-year journey of the Vande Mataram. This is, in fact, the tableau of the Union Ministry of Culture, and on your screen, you're seeing the original manuscript of the Vande Mataram with the original stanzas intact as well. We're taking you through the artists as well. You can see them practicing their performance for the Republic Day. On your screens as well, the live version of the national song being sung. Here, the artists taking on, in fact, the depiction of the different translators, the writers, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, everyone who's contributed in the national song. And of course, we have the figurine of Bharat Mata as well, the underlying unifying, in fact, measure that we have here on the tableau present.
It was decided that we'll be showcasing the 150 years of the trajectory of the whole 150 years of making of since the beginning to the contemporary times of Vande Mataram. Then there is the generation next. You know, that depicts the continuity of Vande Mataram.
See the story depicted in the middle part of the tableau. We start from 1906 to 1947, which is the current Tiranga of our nation. So we have depicted the entire story of the evolution of the Indian national flag.
Opposition has lashed out at the government, saying NDA government is again trying to push its agenda. Listen in.
The government is trying to push an agenda on this, and I don't think they're going to succeed. They tried it in the parliament. It is not going to succeed. What is going to be an issue is how they have killed the dignity of millions of poor laborers in this country by destroying Narega and bringing in this labor code, which is again going to be a huge blow to the working community of this country. So that is going to be the major issue. These are all just distractions.
सवाल इस बात का है कि वो तो वंदे मातरम की झांकी आ रही, बहुत अच्छा विषय है, बहुत प्रसन्नता भी है, लेकिन वंदे मातरम से भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कोई लेना देना नहीं है. भारतीय जनता पार्टी का देश की आज़ादी से भी कोई लेना देना नहीं है. भारतीय जनता पार्टी तो वंदे मातरम का आज़ादी से पहले विरोध करती थी. तो झांकी आ रही है, अच्छा है. इस देश में जिन लोगों ने वंदे मातरम का नारा लगाते हुए अपनी जान की बलि दे दी, और आज अगर वंदे मातरम की झांकी 26 जनवरी की परेड में शामिल हो रही है तो अच्छा है.
Bharatiya Janata Party has hit back at the opposition, saying that the opposition is desperate for Islamic rule in the country, and that's why opposition is opposing it.
When you sing Vande Mataram in front of them, it's like petrol aag pe dal do. They just hate this Vande Mataram, hate the concept of India, just desperate to get Islamic rule somehow or other.
Let's go across to my colleague Rishabh, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Rishabh, you know, last month only we had seen a day-long heated debate in Parliament on Vande Mataram, the national song. And now Ministry of Culture's tableau is going to depict the entire song and its entire history. That also, it seems, has irked the ecosystem.
Well, if we talk about this very tableau by Minister of Culture, just now the Indian Army press conference has gotten over where the Chief of Staff of Delhi area has confirmed that throughout the 90-minute parade, you will see the glimpse of Vande Mataram, given that it is 150 years of the national song, and we are celebrating it throughout the year. At the Culture Minister's tableau, you'll see the depiction of Vande Mataram and the whole song being played. Yes, there is politics going on. We have seen the similar discussions happening on the floor of the House in the Parliament as well. But the government is very clear that this is something which is in a way paying tribute to the original national song, and that will happen come what may. The opposition is now raking this up, saying that this is nothing but deflection politics. But one thing is very clear, the government wants the whole song to be played on Kartavya Path, and through the tableau of Minister of Culture, this will be played.
So clearly what we are witnessing right now is political war of words, political debate that has already erupted. But also, we'll have to wait and see how the government now responds to the points that have been made by the opposition. Thank you, Rishabh, for the moment, for your inputs on this story. Let's now move on and shift our focus to another important update that we are getting for our viewers.